Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Steam Toys is probably one of the most sought-after educational toys for kids and parents alike, offering a unique blend of fun and learning that fosters creativity, problem-solving skills, and a deeper understanding of science, technology, engineering, art, and mathematics principles. In this video, we will explore some of the best STEAM toys available on the market, helping you choose the perfect one for your child's age, interests, and learning style. Number 5. PlayShifu Plugo Tunes. Get ready to unleash your child's inner musician with Plugo Tunes. It's the fun and engaging way to learn piano and music theory. It's more than just a toy, it's an interactive musical journey. Plugo Tunes makes learning piano notes and rhythms a playful adventure. Learning musical notes has never been this simple. It transforms playtime into a musical learning experience. With catchy rhymes and jingles, it makes learning fun and memorable. Your child will be singing and playing along in no time. Designed for kids aged 4 to 10, it adapts to different skill levels, ensuring a fun and engaging experience for everyone. Watch your child's musical abilities blossom. It's the perfect gift to nurture their creativity and love for music. What we like. It's a music learning kit that helps kids learn to play the piano and understand musical notes. It's perfect for early skill development, making it ideal if you have a child aged 4 to 10 who shows an interest in music. If you are looking for a fun and educational way to introduce your child to music, this is the perfect choice. What people say. My 4-year-old really enjoys this interactive piano learning kit. It was easy to set up and get started. It provides guilt-free screen time for my child while letting her learn a new skill. We were excited to see her persevere and keep at it, and after a few days of practice she has started to pick up quickly. The app requires your camera to see the piano and the piano has to be on the game pad. So this works well with my cell phone as the camera and phone itself are a low profile. Put the piano on the pad, it magnetizes, super cool, then prop the phone up and bingo bango, no issues. It's flawlessly made for kids. It doesn't require battery and works on computer vision. The app is great and helps the kids to learn in gamified learning. Number 4. National Geographic Magnetic Marble Run. It's the most backed magnetic super puzzle ever. With unique track and trick pieces, you can easily adjust and create exciting new pathways for your marbles. This creative set includes 42 tracks, 17 trick pieces, and 15 marbles. The possibilities for building combinations are endless. Build it on any vertical magnetic surface. Your fridge, lockers, whiteboards, the possibilities are endless. Secure snap-fit connectors make building simple and frustration-free. Detailed instructions and a learning guide will help you along the way. We are committed to providing the highest quality hands-on science toys. Enjoy exceptional service and a commitment to your satisfaction. What we like. This patented marble racetrack offers endless building combinations with its magnetic tracks and trick pieces. It's a great STEM toy, perfect if you're looking for a creative and engaging activity for kids and adults alike. If you like building and problem solving, this will provide hours of fun. What people say. The design options are literally infinite and the process is both fun and it does take some time to get the design to function like you want. It's easy to play with, fun and great for young learning minds. Great quality. The lift works well, as you can see in the video. It can go even higher, but my dishwasher is only so big. The track is a little flimsy at times but has a thoughtful overall design. Number 3. Plus Building Set. It's one simple shape, but the possibilities are endless. Watch as it sparks creativity and imagination. Each brick easily connects to the next, allowing for both 2D and 3D creations. It's so intuitive, kids will love building anything they can imagine. It's more than just a toy, it's a fun way to develop fine motor skills, problem-solving abilities, and creativity. It's the perfect blend of engineering, art, and puzzle solving. The handy carrying case lets you build anywhere. Take it on trips, to school, or anywhere your adventures take you. It's made from BPA-free and phthalate-free plastic in a zero plastic waste factory. You can feel good about giving this gift to your child. With 240 blocks and an idea guide, it's ready for hours of building fun. Watch them create amazing things. What we like. It features a simple design with endless possibilities, making it a great STEM toy for kids. It's also travel-friendly, so you can build anywhere. If you are looking for a creative and portable building toy that encourages imaginative play, then this is the one for you. What people say. Perfect for restaurants, on the go, planes, car rides. This is the go-to travel item for our kids, ages 8 to 13. Every time we leave the house and the kids know there will be waiting, one of them grabs this travel case. We added more plus toys from our general stash into the bag, and the kids use it everywhere. Came in a nice case with an easy-to-use zipper that sealed all pieces in. Came with a board to set your creations on, so that was wonderfully convenient. Number 2. Picasso Cubes PMC 400. These magnetic cubes are more than just a toy, they're a gateway to endless creative possibilities. Watch your child build, learn, and grow with these versatile blocks. With 50 included instruction cards, it's easy to get started. But the fun doesn't stop there, they can also create their own unique designs. It's not just fun and games, these cubes enhance spatial reasoning, problem-solving skills, and fine motor development. It's educational entertainment at its best. This is a fantastic way to engage children with STEM concepts. They'll be learning about shapes, colors, and structures while having a blast. Perfect for solo play or group activities, these magnetic blocks offer endless entertainment. They're also great for travel and keeping kids occupied on the go. It's a screen-free activity that encourages imaginative play and creative thinking. Give your child a chance to unplug and explore their creativity. What we like. This set includes magnetic puzzle cubes with 50 different design instructions, making it a great STEM learning toy. It allows for open-ended creative play and is suitable for both individual and group activities. If you like building and creating things, and want to engage your child in creative STEM activities, this is a great choice. What people say. They are the most popular item in my classroom. Not only can you use them to follow patterns in the cards, but they can be used to rebuild and allow for creativity and imagination. The cubes are very small at 0.5 of an inch and can be used to build things off the cards included and to see what he can come up with himself. My oldest just likes to fidget with them when he's in front of his computer, and I have fun just dropping one and letting it do its thing to see what I can create when I'm stuck on a call at work or in front of a training video. The colors are vibrant, the cards they sent have some really cute building ideas, the boombox is awesome, and if you get the correct sides of the magnets lined up they have decent hold. Number 1. National Geographic Earth Science Kit. It's time for some serious science fun. This kit is packed with over 100 Earth science activities, from growing crystals to erupting volcanoes. Get ready for an amazing adventure. Everything you need for 15 incredible experiments is right here. You'll create a water tornado, excavate fool's gold, and so much more. No extra supplies needed. It also includes 10 real rock and mineral specimens, a fantastic start to a rock collection. A sturdy case keeps them safe and organized. The fun doesn't stop there. We've added a bonus guide with 85 plus more experiments using common household items. The possibilities are endless. This kit is from Blue Marble, a winner of the Toy of the Year award. It's designed to inspire learning, creativity, and imagination. We're here to help you every step of the way. What we like. This kit provides over 100 Earth science experiments and activities, including crystal growing and building a volcano. It also includes a rock collection, making it a great educational toy. If you are looking for a fun and educational way to introduce your child to Earth science, this is the perfect kit for you. What people say. The National Geographic kits, such as this one, are very nicely presented in a gorgeous box with a nice booklet with instructions and information about each activity. The volcano was a lot of fun to make, and I appreciated that it gave instructions for ingredients that could be used from around the house as well. The rock excavating was really fun. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.